We're going to take a quick look now at how to access and print progress reports. So I'm logged in here as a school administrator, and the first thing that I need to do is find the student that I'm interested in. So I'm going to come up here to our student Zoom, or I could use the search. I like that student Zoom, so I'm going to open that up. And this, of course, brings me my list of all students, and I can just click on a name here, search for the student within the Zoom if I'd like. And on the student panorama, we've got a button right here on the left that says View Progress Report. And when this opens up, it shows us the basically all of the activity up to the current point in time. So I can see here the running averages in the existing classes. And for each class, it gives us a detail view. Now, what content we see in the detail view is a function of these checkboxes up here at the top. So, for example, if the graph isn't particularly relevant to me, I can turn the graphs off and get a more consolidated view here. When I have selected the components that I want, I can come right up here into the corner, and there's a print button built right in. And I can use my OS settings to print to PDF, or I can choose a physical printer here and either print or save this out to PDF. And that's it. Thanks.